Joy, tell us about yourself first.
Okay, well, I'm nearly 70. I come here 3, sometimes 4, maybe 5 times a week. So I do the fitness classes and the gym itself. But I like the classes because they're so challenging. They really push me to do more than I can normally.
How do you benefit from coming to the centre?
I taught yoga for many years and then I became very, very ill and stopped. The centre has given me confidence back in my body, in what it can do. I love the fact that everybody adapts things for you. If you can't do something, there's another way around it. You can get the same movement, but without having to, push yourself and hurt yourself. So that's what I really like.
Would you say the centre means a lot to you then?
Yes.
Yeah.
I get very upset when I miss a class.
And finally, how likely are you to recommend those services to other people?
Very likely. I recommend it to everybody. Even my grandson, my husband comes along, friends come, do different things to me. But yeah, I recommend it all the time.